Today we're going to take a look at our 2024 236 Fisherman. This boat is in ocean mist and is nicely appointed. It's powered by a Yamaha F300. This boat has the down lighting, trim tabs. You have fish boxes on the stern here. You can use it for a fish box, cooler, or separate storage for maybe an anchor, second anchor for the beach anchor. We also have livewell fish box, ski tow pylon, retractable obviously. You have freshwater shower here at the transom. Plenty of storage for your tackle bags or maybe dock lines, bumpers. You also have tackle storage here. Yamaha CL5 screen is there in the center to give you your engine display, digital throttle and shift, Bennett trim tabs. This boat's also equipped with your anchor windlass, fusion stereo system. We got our bow cushions. This also has a head in here. This is our anchor rod with plenty of storage. Your windlass, your backrests, fish boxes. You also have another cooler here. Rear seating. And then you have raw water wash down under there. If you'd like more information on this boat, please give us a call here at MarineMax in Ocean View, New Jersey. Thank you.